no one in their right minds would point to exactly the system we have today and say, well, let's build this. It would be nonsensical.
So you did a report and survey were done on empowerment accounts that would replace multiple federal assistance programs.
I think the first way to think about this is if you think about the way we as a country try to help people get out of poverty right now is very fragmented and disjointed, where there are over 80 programs or over 100 programs, depending on some estimates, well over $1 trillion a year. And these programs report up to different federal agencies. So it's not a very well designed system because it
No.
was assembled over decades. So the key question that we're posing and providing an answer to is this idea of if we were building a social safety net today, and our goal was we want to help people when they're struggling, provide some stability and material support in a temporary way, and help them get back on their feet into work and independence. What would the system actually look like? No one in their right minds would point to exactly the system we have today and say, well, let's build this. It would be nonsensical. So the idea behind empowerment accounts is essentially saying, let's have that conversation now and talk about how to build a safety net that would be a lot simpler for families to navigate, a lot easier for states to administer, and would actually accomplish the aspirational vision of the war on poverty in a much better way, which if you go back and read the speeches from President Johnson in the 60s when he's talking about the war on poverty, yes, there were safety net programs, but that wasn't really the point. The real point was work and independence and helping people get there. So the idea behind empowerment accounts is essentially let's take the existing money we're already spending as a nation on social safety net programs like food stamps, the temporary assistance for needy families program that has a cash assistance program, utility assistance, childcare assistance, and let's bundle those together in essentially one monthly cash benefit program to be the thing that helps provide some of that temporary stability for families and then connect it to work outcomes. That's the basic idea behind it.